everyone, I'm Evelyn from First Media, and we're very happy to have Sean from Smart Mortgage today with us. Sean, would you like to say hi to our audience?
Hi everyone, Sean from Smart Mortgage. Thanks for watching actually.
Alright, so would you like to tell us a little bit more about Smart Mortgage?
Yes, certainly. Smart Mortgage, as you know, is as straightforward as the name is, Smart Mortgage at the end of the day. Now, we are a company that deals with mortgages, not just resi, but also commercial. Smart Mortgage was founded back in 2013. We started with 2 people, and over the years, 2018, we've grown to about 12 people now.
Okay, it's fast growing.
It has been. I think it's all thanks to our clients and our planning and goals and where we're looking to achieve. So, yeah, certainly.
Honestly, I can see the ads or some information about Smart Mortgage like everywhere, and I thought it was like an enduring and long historic company. I wasn't expecting it just started years ago.
Oh no, well, I can't say we're as long as the banks or, or some other mortgage company, but the thing about all of us is each and every one of us here are experienced bankers. So we've been bankers in the past. I myself got 10 years within the banking industry with one of the big fours, and every one of the other directors and loan writers are also bankers. So I could say that I'm the youngest there.
Wow.
Compared to everyone else.
No offense, but wow.
no, yeah, thanks.
All right.
So we've grown throughout the years, and the most important thing that we see is still the relationship of our clientele, and that's probably what helped us push us through I suppose through to the times that we've experienced. Now, we understand currently with the Royal Commission, it's hard for everyone else, and they're all making sure that every transaction is legitimate, and it's also responsible for all our clientele.
Yeah.
So because we've all come from previous banking backgrounds, we hold conversations, we understand the clientele's needs, and that's probably the first thing we need to do, and from there formulate what is suitable for the client. Yeah.
I do agree that professional knowledge range is really essential to this part, because nobody wants to do anything illegal and got sued or fined or anything like that.
Yeah. So the company's in here for the long run at the end of the day. So we believe that if you do the right things now, you'll achieve the right outcome.
Definitely.
So that's where we are. Yeah.
Some people like me would definitely need professional help because I know nothing about finance.
Oh, you can ask us anytime, certainly, yeah.
All right. So what exactly do you do in the company? What is your role?
Okay, so my title is a Senior Relationship Executive for the Commercial Debt Advisory. Now, it sounds long, but it really isn't. Basically, I delve in commercial loans, but I also do residential at the end of the day. In the current market, a lot of residential and commercial are sort of mixed together now, because people who move into property investment, as they grow, they tend to want to move into commercial as well.
Okay.
Now, this is called diversification of the investments. So then it's good to understand both residential and commercial. Now, but look, I've coming from the bank, I've dealt in both residential and moved over to commercial as well.
Okay.
Yeah, so most of my clientele in the past were professionals. I looked after the medical sector policy as well for one of the big fours. So there's a lot of intertwining.
So you mentioned debt advisory.
Yes.
What exactly that is?
Okay. When we meet with a client, we don't only look at a facility for a client, but we look at how important it is to structure the correct facility.
Okay.
Each of our interviews involve understanding the in-depth goals of the clients, where they're sitting at this present stage, and where they want to achieve in the short term or the long term. So understanding the whole process helps us to understand which facility could suit them today, but could carry them till the next stage of their life as well. So we like to build that relationship and continue with our clients. It's not just a once-off, one loan, thank you very much, I'll see you again. So the relationship continues, and that's where the debt advisory come in. In terms of commercial, a lot of people, for instance, let's look at development. Before you go into development, there's a lot of things to prepare for. feasibility studies. You gotta understand what the banks are looking for, what are the prerequisites in order to obtain a commercial loan itself, and also, you know, what are the sort of structures and the risk that's involved in that sort of project. Most of our bankers are experienced commercial bankers, and we've got a banker who's been in the property for over 20 years already as well, segment. So he understands very clearly what's needed. He's got good relationships with a lot of the builders, a lot of contractors, project managers as well. So you gotta tie everyone together and make sure that project is feasible. And then the project helps and satisfy what the bank requires as well in order to obtain a loan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, that's inspirational.
So we hope it works.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, you know, there are, because residential investment and commercial investment are quite popular at the moment, and we know there are many different companies doing financial and some lending or loaning assistance. So what makes Smart Mortgage stand out of all of those companies?
I've been with Smart Mortgage for 2 years now. The time I've been in here, the one thing that really stood out with everyone else was customer service and relationship. Now, you can choose products, financial facilities quite easily based on their situation, but in order to maintain the relationship and help them to understand what could be suitable or not, and helps us to understand their situation as well, is what I think it's the main thing that stands out with Smart Mortgage.
Okay. So more customer based.
We're very customer focused at the end of the day, because at the end of the day, the customers are the people that drives us and help us be successful.
Definitely.
So we need to thank every one of our customers.
Okay. Sure. All right.
I wouldn't be here.
I heard you have a seminar today.
I do, yes. At 1 o'clock, we've got a development seminar up. So if anyone really is interested to come, please come over to room number 2.
Yeah.
Number 3, sorry.
Number 3, yeah.
Yes. So we'll have a couple of panel people up there. They're professionals. They've been in the industry for a long time as well. So listen to what they've got to say. It will be a very casual series of questions and answers as well. So please come up and have any questions you got to put up at the stage as well.
So any special offer?
We certainly do. We've got a lucky draw for Google Home as well. So come around, pop your email address. We'll shoot a number out to you. It's all electronic as well. So.
Wow, that's really appealing. If anyone's interested, please go to the seminar and get some professional background about related knowledge. And we're very happy that we have Sean today with us.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sean.
Thank you, Evelyn. Yeah.